And hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Ogbonge people, low today topic and I about this domestic violence where be say man go dey beat woman for house, you know. You get one video when I see for human rights, you know. So when I see the video, they come they talk to the woman. So the woman come they talk how the man they beat him, how the man not they give am peace, you know. Sometimes I go they wonder for some women, you know, where be say you fair date man before you marry him. At the end, you come say na woman beat her. Then you go wrong. No, all those kind of men, you're not supposed to even give them second chance because whether they don't learn now. They can never change. Whether they don't learn, they don't already learn now. If they hard for them to change, now be the thing. My darling people, so sometimes I dey wonder for some women because why I want to react for this video be say when the woman bring picture with the man till they beat her, me I shocked her lies, my darling people. The thing shocked me like things they happen. Oh, the thing really shocked me because some women they are really sometimes I they wonder if they okay. How can a man go just beat you like that? You will see they will say they ask you say you want to go back. You say yes, you don't know because of my children. Are you kidding me right now? If you now you don't go leave the children because of your children. You want to go back to that kind of man will beat you like that. Will be say all your body no space again because of your children, and you go still go back. I can't wonder. This woman they okay, my darling people. They say they ask the man. The man they say, he want give one condition first. When me look whether they try to settle them, this man not love the woman again. Love not there again, my darling people, because if love they, you go in once they say ask the woman, he say because of the children, he will go back. But then they ask the man see the form, he want talk first. Oh, I say, oh, some women, why be say we women? Some of us, our brain they do all that leg. Some of us really, because sometimes I go they wonder, how can a man when they beat you like that? They say because of your children. So you because of children, baby now. Then later now you can't see leave the children like that without mom. Why you not just run for your life now? So you don't already know say this man now waiting in they do he not go fit change. But you want to go back because of your children. Now, deal with for they get her wrong. Dear, that will for they get her wrong. Like wrong, my darling. This woman, I'm waiting una think for this kind a woman. Una no reason I say this woman she not today okay like that because you just see stone. I'm not saying anybody come up for a marriage, but when beating don't they evolve me, it's not allowed for when me deal. If beating don't they evolve, I no fit stay with that kind of man because a man would already start to the beat woman. If they hard before they stop, I they always they talk this thing. Sometimes you go marry to your enemy, you not go know. I build a no. Why man go even they raise the hand they beat woman? Because I always they ask that question. Why man go even they raise the hand? Say well, I know say we me our maths not still good though. Not be say I don't know, but don't be to the extent we be say I will come begin. The man who come begin they beat you like that. Why? Why man go even they beat you? A man where they beat woman don't know what they do, And they always talk that word. Say any man where they beat woman, he don't know what they do. How can a man go just wake up say now to the beat woman? Anyone can they do? Who does that? Who does that really? It's not good. It's not good. Make man they beat woman. They always they talk this thing. It's not good. Don't beat your wife. Beat your wife for waiting. For waiting. Why you beat her? Why you go even reason her? Go say you want beat her? Why? Why? If you do you waiting you not like, you know go fit carry your bag, come up for his house. Some men, that's what they do. Even me, if me with my husband they quarrel, if he say the thing that they vex am, because of your waka leave me. Now so, he stay away when they go come raise the hand, they go just off your waka leave me. Obviously, you just a man who can't just carry any small thing. You just begin to beat the woman. Now they give if mama give her to you, say maybe they beat her. You born for a mama where you they beat her like that. Eh? E no good. E no good make man dey even dey raise his hand say he want to beat your wife. What about if you can't disfigure your face finish, you can't leave am? You know how many women will be say they don't blind because of marriage. Their eye, not the one of their eye don't close. And whether they go there, their eye not close. Oh. But when they come marry the men, their eye can't they close. It's not good. It good may be say, because as they do and children they there. The children will come, they look you, they fear. It's not good. It's not good. It good maybe say a man supposed to show good example to his children. So that if your pikin grooming not go they do what you they do. I don't see somebody will say if they beat your woman because a papa they always they beat him mama that time. So into constantly pick from there. It's not good. You understand? Okay, which advice now you whether they do this thing? Which advice you can give to your own children now? Which advice you now can give your own pikin? You would already for the do one before. Which advice? You don't get any advice. You don't even get any reason for you to beat the woman. Which reason you get? Because the woman talk to you the way you not like. Or the woman, what did she do? When you begin to raise your hand. What did she do? She do what they never do before. When you begin, you just consider to the beat am. Now it can be the main thing. No. That will not be the main thing. They always talk this thing, say, a man not supposed to do this kind of thing. A responsible man, you don't beat your wife. You use mouth to talk to her. A responsible man not supposed even the reason that kind of thing, say, now to the beat his wife, now he want can they do. A responsible man not supposed at all. You understand? A responsible man not supposed to say now to come they raise hand. Who does that? Who does that really? It's not good. So I just use this medium to advise our men there. If you know say you don't love woman, just leave and down. You can't beat her. After you do disfigure your face, finish for you can't say I want to go return her to your mama. Then the mama will come just upset her like that, abi? Eh? It's not good. Okay, since then now after he don't do what he do finish, he can't leave the woman. The children can't deal with him. Eh? Now the woman now want come back now to Ram. Say because he want to stay close to your children. But you don't know whether this man still get feelings for you, whether this man still get love for you. What to make you think say this man will beat you again? What to make you think say this man will still raise his hand again? He go see raise him. Any man whether they behave like that, to take by the grace of God. Before they feel changing, it take by the grace of God, my darling people. So my ogbonge people, now so the matter reach for today. So anything you want to think about this video, wanna help me leave una comment for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.